We are now going to be trading some binder option again here at Iqcent. As always, I will just check that everything is in order before we start. So let me do that. Let's see. We are live there. And we are live. Okay, cool. Then we can start this live session. Okay. As always, I will also at the same time give signals to Telegram and Reddit, so if you see me work super fast every time you take a trade, that's the reason. So, it says bad gateway here. Let's do a reload and see what's going on. Let's hope it's nothing wrong. Okay. It'll be a very cool live session if we're about to get the bad gates and things like this now. Let me see. Okay, let's see if you can log in. Let me see if I can figure out the password here now. Just bear with me while I do so. Good start. Bad gateway. I'm not sure what's going on. Can someone in the chat tell me if they have the same problem? I will send a message for them now. Let's see if we can fix this. Let's see if I can get a reply. Let's try again. Still bad gateway. Once again, can someone tell me if they have the same problem? Let me know. Can someone let me know in the chat if they have the same problem? I will try a few times there now, see if we can get in. Let's see. Bad gateway. Let me try to log in another browser. If you have the same problem, let me see. Let me just copy this criteria. If it's the browser problem. Just bear with me, I'm trying to get in here now. Now I get the bad gateway there also. Okay, so I see now I have a problem in Academy also, I see. So you're now one watching in YouTube. Just write in the chat here now. Do you manage to log into Iqcent? Write in the chat now, so I can know. Because I am, for some strange reason, not able to log in. I would like to know if someone else have the same problem. I will continue trying. Let's see. No, bad gateway. Let's see if my account manager is not replying. So let's see if these people here. Fuck off. Don't bother to. I see he's okay. He did see it now. So let's see if he can. Okay, he's replying. So let's see. Okay, it's an update right now. So they're doing an update. Okay, I'm asking how long time it will take. So probably, I think if that's the case, let's start a little different then. Let's start with trading view. Let's do some forex trading while they do the update, and we can go back and yeah. Okay. Then let's do some forex trading, and let's check back later if we can log in. They're doing an update, so oakley dokley. Then let me make ready to give forex signals also. We're not going to lose this last session, so just don't worry. We will now trade some forex instead till we can log in. There. Yes. Okay. Let's start from the top. Okay, he's now retesting a strong, very strong support. Do you know what? I see immediately a nice trade here. We take a trade here. We put our stop loss below there. Let's go for a ratio of 1.5. Let's see, there. Let's take it there. Let's take a picture there. Okay, let's do that. And let's go over to like that. So we start with a forex trade. Was not the planning, but GBP USD long trade. GBP USD long trade. We take that. that forex trade there. Okay, first trade in order. Let's try to see if we get back. For each trade I do, I will do a reload and try to go in again. Looks like we are back in order. Perfect. That was faster than I was expecting, so that is good. Okay, let's then do one more reload just to make sure everything is in order. We are back. Cool. Then we can start trading. Typical when we are going live that they do an update, but at least they were working fast. So now let's see if we can find ourselves some trades. Here is something we can trade. It's a strong downward trend. We can trade that. Let's see here. Okay, we see he break easily through this previous resistance here. This is from another day, but you see it was still valid. He tested one time, but after he shoot up, so we can't trade that. Let's move on. Now let's see here. This area actually looks interesting. I will like to see what happened on the bar we are right now, but I will mark it something like this to the top up here. Let's see. I will at least make ready for the signal, and I will see if I take a trade after. So hey. Let's try it again. He broke it by the way, so he never got to it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, he's now testing up here. He's a little higher, I think. Let's remove all the previous lines. I will mark it and we'll have a look after. Don't take trades when I make the lines and things. Just take your time. We are not rushing. I will tell when you're going to take trades, and I will explain. Now, for example, what I would like to see now is that this bar here now go down, relax a little. Don't break the top area, and then we can trade up here. But now, for now, just wait, relax. We are not in a rush. So now let's just see. I'm getting messages that yeah. Okay, see here now. This is why we just take our time. We are not trading here. Let's continue. Okay. Downward trend. I don't like it. Let's move on. Okay. Yep. Okay. Here we might have something. Let's see. Like always, we take our time. We are not rushing with nothing. And you see he break above. But let's see here now. I do see another one that looks nice here now. Let's see if we take it from there. What I would like to see now is that he do not break the top area. We want him to relax, and if he do that, we can trade up here. But I see him go higher. This is not enough that we don't stop, so I will just move the line a little. Let's just see. No. No trades for now. Now let's see here. Binary option, it's something where you basically just need to learn to have some patience. Sometimes we get like 20-30 trades in a live session, and sometimes we get few. And today looks like will be one of these that we might have few, but we have not been live so long either. So let's see here now. I do not see any specific area I really like. I always look to the left, like up here for example. That could be an area I would be interested in. So right now it's not there, but we can see for later at least if we get up there, let's see, something like that. But for now, do you know what? Let's see here. It's a very tiny area. I think we can have our first trade here. Was a good support, was good here. I think we can deal with that one. I'll take my time, don't trade yet. I'll take my time, mark it up for signal, and if I manage to do all before, then we start trading. Let's do that. So for now, just relax, we are not trading up there. That is a sell trade. Okay, if the bar come up there now, we take it. Okay, so I will now give out this signal. It says $1. I'm not going to do $1, it's 100. Oh, they have changed it a little, I see that now. Oh, you can trade a person now, something new. He did go a little above it. I don't think it's a problem. Let's see. We close it, I take one there. Let's see. First trade in, I will give the signal here at least. Let's go over here. I will need to make myself some coffee also because I'm a little tired. Early in the morning. Let me just make sure we have this signal out first. There. Then let's see. Let's bring up the trade so you can follow. Okay, first trade, one loss. Okay, we put that in the calculation. Minus 100. All good. We started yesterday with 2 losing trades also, as you can see, so nothing to worry too much about. Maybe some of you got more lucky than me, because I see he did go down after. I hope so, but nothing to worry about. Let's go back to start. Let's see if something is forming. You know what? This area between there and there can be good now. He broke down. I think I will go for that. I'll mark it there like that. Save it. Save. Go back. If we get up there again, let's see. I take it there. Oh, did they break through it? That was. I was not expecting him to be so strong in a region that is so good. I was really not expecting that. I need to get my coffee. I think it's ready soon. Let's see how this can go. Coffee is not done yet. Okay, we got a win, but we're not trading more here. It's moving too crazy. So let's put in that in the calculation. We are now. Let's take this $4. Make sure you have this cashback ready. $4 there. I'm still $18 minus, not to worry. Let's see if we can get some clear winners, not this like that. I did like this area here from the past. We need to find something like that. I hear my coffee is done now, but let's find a trade first before I go and get it. The bottom area here might be something for us. Yes, we look to the left, we see that was a good area. We do that, let's mark it. I need to change pattern on my mouse, I see. It's losing what the I'm exactly annoyed here. Let me try again. There, finally. Let's save that. Okay, that's a buy trade. We are ready to take a trade if the bar comes down in between these two blue lines, okay? Don't mind me, I'm just posting the signal to Telegram and to Reddit. Okay, I think I have time to get my coffee. Wow, what is this? I give a super stupid signal, as you know. I think I just used this one instead. Ah, good. Now I start to be annoyed here. Sorry you don't see what I'm doing, but I'm messing up things here. We are still in traders, so don't worry about me. I'm just annoyed here. There. I'm ready to take a trade, don't mind me. Yeah, okay, now finally I have things in order. That's why I need a coffee. Now let's see, we are looking for a buy trade down here. It's a proven area. We see here was a resistance before. We see it tested good here, so this is a good area. It has broke up through it here now. This one should work as a good support here now. Some people ask me, you tried to support resistance. That don't work. It do work. You just need to choose the correct ones. Also, we can see we have a trend line going upwards like this. So it's respecting. So in a way, I'm not even sure if we come down to this region, but we'll see. Let me just get my coffee. Or maybe a trade come now. It's typical come if I go and get my coffee. Let me see if this one turns green, I go. Let's see. I'm too scared to go now. Because it's, there, I go. Yes, we did manage. Now let's see if we can come down to our region. By the way, welcome in everyone that's coming in. As I start to see, we start to have a lot of people coming in the academy. And let me see in YouTube. YouTube just have one person. There was two for a little while. Welcome in also. Now we just need to have some patience here. See if we can manage to get down to our region there. Getting close to our 90,000 target. We had one, I think it was last week, wasn't it? We had one bad week last week. No, not one bad day. Need more coffee. Had one bad day last week, but we have managed to repair that day. So it's like this once in a while. Everyone will have a bad day, but it's how you deal with it after that counts. So we don't go crazy. We don't start to bid higher just to recover fast the loss. Take it easy. Just forget about it, and the money come back, and you turn profit after. Like I said before, I start with $100. It's not like I did go $100 every single day I made money. No, I had my losses. I think I don't know how many losing. I had a count of losing days before, but if I say like 35, 40 losing days over the no, it's more than 2 years, of course. I don't think I'm lying. So around there somewhere. And that's completely fine. There are long in between, thankfully, that we have losing days we can be counting. But they will come. And like I said, it's how you deal with them. Some days also you will have a lot of trades. Some days there will be few trades. Don't be trying to take trades just to take them. Like you see now, we have been live now for 26 minutes and just two trades. One winner, one winner, one loser, and that is completely fine. Like I said, some days is like this, but for all we know, in the end of this live session, probably find something that is super good and we can print money. So don't be discouraged if you feel you have a bad start and you are in this situation, and never put yourself in that situation, by the way, that you have a bill you need to pay, for example, today, and you really need to make profit. You're thinking, oh, I need to make this and this money today because I need to pay a bill. Then you're doing something wrong. Okay, don't I have put myself in that situation myself. That was a few years ago. uh, Basically, I did live only by trading, and it was so much stress and pressure. Basically what I did, I worked 24/7 trading, Saturday, Sunday also included. I did not 24/7, but I actually, literally, I'm not lying, I did sleep 3 hours a day. That's it. I did not sleep more. So that is very scary. I came into a very tiring period of my life, and don't put yourself in this situation. What you should do is to work on other opportunities to make money, because you can't live only on binary option. That is scary. Only if you start to have a good system like I have right now, you can do it. Did break trade. Let's go back to the one we were trading. That was this one. So just learn now. Was not this one. Which one we are looking? Which one we are looking? Let's see if I can find it. Ah, here it is. Cool. So yeah, learn from my mistakes. Never ever do martingale. However bad your day is, how much pressure you put on yourself, never start with martingale. I have done that mistake myself. Not so much on binary option, but I have done it on Forex. My biggest loss ever, I told this story many times, but there are always new people coming in. My biggest loss ever, wow, we almost didn't take profit here now. My biggest loss ever was on dollar against Japanese yen. Biggest loss ever. I lost like more than $100,000. And the thing is, was not lost in one day, was lost over a period of days. Was terrible. I started with a very good trade and that will keep trending. Every time I thought this is the top, I did double in, double in, double in. I did not sleep, not enjoying nothing for, I think it was 2 months I was in that trade, and we're getting worse and worse and worse. And when you first have started with the martingale, you come to a level where you have lost. First you lose 1 week of income, you think like, I can't lose 1 week of income. Then then in a few days, we're talking about 2 weeks, then 1 month, then you're talking about 4 months. You think, I can't lose 4 months of income that I made. And then you are coming into a system where you don't manage to stop martingale anymore. You need to go in, and suddenly you come to a level where you see that your account is going to break and you basically are desperate. And what I did, I basically just sold, but I lost more than 95% of my account. So once again, be careful. I have learned from my mistakes, and yeah, martingale, that can be the end of everything you do. You sometimes you can win, can look super good when you do it, but there will come, for everyone that do use martingale, there will come a day where you blow your account and you basically lose everything you have built up since forever. Does not matter how big your account is, your account will explode. Trust me. So make sure you stay away from it, because yes, it happened to me and it will happen to you also. Your account will blow up and you will lose everything that you worked for. So be very, very careful. Talking about that, I'm still looking for trades here to see if we can find something we can do. For now, I'm not seeing so much. Sorry for that, but when we don't have anything, it's not much we can do. I'm thinking this area here. Let's remove this button here. It looks a little messy. I think we can do that. Nothing extraordinary, but it's good enough. Let's see. So now, as always, we just buy between these blue lines. Let's see. Let's see how our trade go. Almost take profit. Amazing. Would be nice if you can get that in the money before we stop this live session. Typical forex trades I take, they close around within 1 to 4 or 5 hours after I take them. But if this one can close within the 1 hour we are live, that would be super cool. We do have a very good win rate on Forex, so if you're not into Forex for now, make sure you sign up. Use the broker I'm using. I try to keep to the brokers that are worldwide. Of course, they're not the same regulated that many are, but many of the regulated brokers, it's not the best one to trade with because the fees are too high, and the distance between buy and sell is too big. So now let's see. I don't remember the English word for it. The difference between buy and sell. Given signals so long, so the technical words have slipped my mind. Let's see. So now we are looking for a buy trade down here. If we get under again, we have been there many times, so let's see. Still waiting. We've been live now for 37 minutes. Of course, we are not trading the first 8-ish minutes, but still, just 2 trades, that's very little. Let's see if we can get a trade here soon, get the ball running. If we close higher on this, we move on. Let me make a line for that. A line like this. Let's make it white. If a bar closes above this white line there, we move on. Just so you know what I'm looking for. So you can trade on here as long as you don't, because if you break above here, that means you will continue upwards. Now you wonder why we don't trade up here. I'm considering it actually. But you see now he's breaking up, so it's good I'm not doing that. Now let's see, if we close above this white line, we move on. This might just be a fake out. It was something like this one, but it looks like he's getting more and warm up to go higher. So it looks like our area down here will not come either. So one more thing we are waiting for. Okay. I think we just move on. Give me some time and I'll see if I can find something for us. Downwards trend. The market is very trendy today. Then it's very difficult to find anything, because even if there were a good area here, it will become to a squeeze, so we can't trade here, you know. So this was not a super strong. Let's go if we, and you see we have no information in the past that tells us how good it is or bad. But what I don't like is that you see he go a little higher than the highest here, and that is a bad sign, because that means for me that he's getting ready to break upwards. There's nothing I want to trade then. Okay. And you see I was going to mark down here now, but you see he break through it. Today is the day where we are not getting many trades to plug. This one is still at a place. Did I give this signal? Oh, you can stupid this. Yeah, did I do that? Yeah, I did. Then let's see. We might get a trade here now. Getting closer now to a trade. I think a good area to get in will be in the middle area. Of course, any place in between the blue line is good, but if you can get the middle, that would be amazing. Let's move this pair to the start. If you choose to move on, that you can fall back and forward a little. I think I'll do that. Let's follow that one strongly. Let's go back. Okay, now we need to see. Getting close to a trade here now. We just might get a trade here now. Little more, and we take it. We need at least to cross this line here before I consider pushing the bottom. Of course, I would like to have in the middle, but I will follow the flow. I might just take it right away. Let's see. I need to be careful. Let's see, because I don't want a bad trade either. Yesterday I think we got two bad trades. Bad trades means that I push down here, but I get an entry up here because he shoot up while I push. Now let's see, he basically pin our upper line now. And why I did that? I did take an entry. I was too early. I thought he was going to go downwards from there. So this was actually not a trade I should have taken. Let's hope we can still win it. I take one more there. That was a better entry. Three trades. Don't tell me he's going to break down. Give me 2 wins here now. I'll put in minus 100. Let's hope we can get both these two. Then will not be so bad. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes! Yes. We got them both. I was a little lucky there, but it was a bad entry, so at least we got it. Let's move our line in the bottom here. Let's change our entry to there. Let's see. We'll continue taking trades, but we are moving the line a little. Let's be ready. I will not be so fast to click the bottom this time. I don't want more bad entries, because basically I lost only the bad entry. Of course, this one was incredible close. So today I feel I've been more lucky than skill. But that is okay also, because most of the time I'm unlucky. So I take, like I said before, I take it that way also. Now let's see. Now I I will not push right away he crossed the line. I'll try to get a little lower this time, so I get a good entry, because it's so annoying when I push here and I get entry above it. The good thing, I don't see any trend. If it's any, it's something that looks like this, but for now it's nothing clear, nothing we need to worry about. We'll see later, but for now it's nothing to worry about, so let's see if we can get a trade again. That was pinning our line. He pinned basically our line. Let's see if we can get it. We need to go a little more down. No, he pinned again the line. There, I'm in. I think I got it exactly on the blue line. Let's see. While we wait that one now, I will see if we can find something else. I do that sometimes. And do you know what? This top area here looks interesting. Let's mark it. If we win this one, we will continue there, by the way. I will not trade here, but in worst case scenario, we can trade here. Let's see. 7, 6, 5, 0, 4, 3, 2, and we lost it. Then I need to say that you stop trading there before I continue. Then let's go to this one. Okay. Yes, I got it. Don't you break up now. Let's see. Let's see if I can mark this area. I did. Cool. Then I save it. This is a cell area. Now let's see. Just don't mind me, I'm just posting the signal. Looks like, yes, we won it. We can move this line a little more there. Okay, cool. Then we got $78 plus 78. Let's take the $10 also. Plus 10. Okay, got a little in profit. One more win and we will be like $100 profit. So let's go for that. Let's see now. We will continue taking trades up there if we get there. This one here is amazingly good. Now I feel we're moving a little too far away from our trade, but this should be a strong. The tick starter on is between here and here is a strong support, so let's hope it holds so much that he will go up again. Let's see, depending on how much this bar chooses to break up here now. Let's see how much refusement we get, but this don't looks good. Looks like he's breaking downwards, so we don't get more trades there. Yeah, no more trades. here. Trying to figure out something like this. Let's see. I will go for a buy trade there. Getting close now. Very close. I'm ready to take it. I'm in. As long as you don't break downwards there now, we should be good. Seconds while we wait. Let's see if we can find something else in the worst case scenario that we are losing. For now, we've been out of the money most of the time, so it looks like we are losing it. Yeah. This has the one more strong down there. Let me see. It's actually even better. I think you can continue there. Let's see. If you get down there again. Let's see. Minus 100. In the calculation. For now I'm in minus today. Let's see. Come on now. Oh, that was Speedy Gonzalez. That did go down. There, I mean, he did go a little lower than I wanted him to do. Don't tell me he's going to go more down. He's doing it. Of course he's doing it. And he even closed it. Looks like we're getting one more loss there then. What I'll do then is to go up to 200. 200. We're losing this one here. Minus 100. Okay. How long time do we have left? Just a few minutes. If we get one more trade now, we at least can go in zero for the day. Let me see here. Let's see. Come on now, go a little more down. There we are in. Okay. Let's see how this will play out. If we win this one now, we are more or less in zero for the day. If we lose, will not be so good. Let's see. Is in out of the money for now. Come on now. I don't like what he's doing now. Ikke droga. Yeah, I think we lost that one. So we got ourselves a bad day today, looks like. 3, 2, yeah. Minus 200. So I'm now currently 374. I need to shoot above there. Motherfucker. Okay. Let's see here. How much time do we have left? We have a few minutes. Let's see. I don't like the win rate here today, as you can see here. 40%. Terrible. No, it's just a waiting game here now. But yeah, looks like today is the day where we will actually lose money. I am not used to lose money, by the way. It's just that yes, last week was one day, one big, and it's not sure we get a loser today yet. If we can get in 2 fast trades now, we might just turn profit, but then we need this one to cooperate and come down here, and that need to happen very soon because this live session is almost done. I think I'll just wait 2 more minutes. So if this one can just come down 2 times in 2 minutes, we can turn profit or lose more, of course. But let's see. I think now this will be the last bar. So I think we stop there. He's moving on way too much away. We got a losing session today. I lost basically $374, so nothing to be proud of, but we'll come back again tomorrow and let's turn some profit tomorrow. So that, have an amazing day.